me 10 million naira to be the president of this Nigeria, you will accept it.
Hey, 10 million naira to be the president of this country. Why would I accept it? 10 million naira. Oh, wait, who go give me the 10 million naira? Is it this country? I be outside country. Just bring 10 naira. Bring 10 naira. You go see me for that Sorok. I go use leg. Go at Sorok now. Sit down for that chair.
Hey, I hear me.
One thing, if I be the president of this country, you get what I go do for my community. For my community, as the president where I be, I go put flyover for Gota.
Hey, Jesus!
Why do you look me like that? The second one, I go make borehole to turn to river.
You be mumu.
No, they laugh. No, they laugh. No, they laugh. As the president where I be, I go construct electricity inside forest.
Hey, I hear me.
President of this country. They don't know what they are doing. If I just get the cash, I exploit everywhere. See, this country, this country need visa to go see other country. How they? This country need to go airport. You know, see, this country have not crossed airports before. This country need to pack his load. I don't even know if the country is he or she. Because this country, he or she is supposed to travel outside country to go see their fellow brothers. How did they do?